joining. We can start from 8:15. Hi everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay, so a lot of people have joined already, and it's 8:15 now. So I guess let's start the onboarding. So guys, today we are starting our event, BuilDx 2026. This is the first season where builders can actually build meaningful products and launch them. So let me quickly present my screen. So have you guys gone through our website? How many of you? Please give reactions or thumbs up, something. So I will also, just for formalities, I will walk you through the website once. So my screen visible, right? Okay. So let me quickly introduce myself first. I am Abranil Karmakar. I am from Academy of Technology, final year student, and I am an integral part of Resourceo community as well as the organizing member of BuildX 2026. So this is my short introduction. Now let's quickly jump into the website. So as you can see, it is not just a hackathon, it's a launchpad. You guys have already know that. So that's why you have registered for the event, right? Now on scrolling, you can see like this is our prize pool. So we have pretty much to offer, not just the experience, the mentorship, but actual rewards that will be help you to build your product like from scratch, like initial funding kind of thing. Along with that, there will be platform credits, swags, as you all know. So these are our main prize pool. Now, the event, it will be happening in hybrid mode. So the building phase will be from 15th June to 26th July, the 6 weeks. And before that, what we will do is to have your idea. We will take your idea. We will validate it if something is required, any changes or not. So after that, we will be giving you feedbacks. Based on that, you will be start building. So till now, is it clear, guys? Am I not audible, Ayan?
Yes, you are audible. I think Rajesh, you need to check your system.
Okay. So as you click
Yes, he is
here,
audible.
yeah, thank you. So you can see the entire program timeline. So the phase one will be onboarding that's happening right now. So you guys are welcome to this event and the team formation. How many of you guys have created a team on Builder-based platform?
All check your system once he is audible.
Brazler, Rajesh, please check. You guys can just cut this meeting and rejoin. Hello, hello, hello.
Uh,
So can you please tell about the Vikramshala auditorium program?
Yes, I will be explaining you every bit of this event in a details. So I think some of you guys having audio problem. So shall I continue or wait for them?
Yes, you
I
are
will be
audible.
okay. So I have prepared some slides for you guys. So I will quickly present it. So is it visible? I'm not able to see you guys. So if possible, you just turn on your mic and respond. Okay. That will be beneficial for both of us. So is this visible?
yes, yes.
Okay. So this is our event, BuildX 2026, organized by Resourceo community in collaboration with Innovation and Incubation Cell, IIT Kharagpur. And This event is all about building product that will be helpful in real world, not just any hobby project like other hackathon, but a platform to kickstart your startup if you guys are really interested. So what you can expect from this event is, like, it will be a 6 weeks buildathon. You will be getting mentorship from the industry experts. If you guys are selected for the final event, you will have a chance to get real investment from VCs and investors. Sessions will be there to help you out. Now you can launch your startup after finishing this event. The price pool, as I have said, like 1 lakh rupees. It will be covering from platform credits to cash to swags and all, funding opportunities, and you will be in touch with industry experts so you can expand your network as well. Okay, now moving on to the event timeline. So today is 1st June. So today, what we are doing is we will be giving you some PPT templates by end of the day. So you guys have to prepare your idea and submit it within the first week of June. So that is by 7th. So you will be required to have basic ideation and basic requirement that will be submitted by you. So this will be the first week agenda. Now it is week 0.
7 June will be the last date,
Yeah, 7 June will be the last
or
date.
6th
So
midnight.
7 June. So 7 June midnight. So 7 June 11:59 p.m. will be the last date. We will be stop taking submission after that. So based on your first week submission, like week 0, in the week 1 we will be sharing your PPTs to the judges, the mentors, that with those who will be helping you throughout the event. So first they will be seeing what you guys are preparing, what you have prepared, what are your ideas, how are you going to execute it. Based on that, they will be providing you feedbacks. So for the wait, for the second week, like the week 1, from June 8 to 14, that period we will take to just validate and give you the initial feedback so that you can align your goals as well with the feedback provided, and you will be start building your product from 15th June till 26th July. So from week 2 to week 7 you will be getting 6 weeks of building time. Okay, so this will be the event flow. Now the pitching flow will be starting from the last day of Buildathon, that is July 26th. So there you have to submit a video of your first initial pitch. Okay. So the video will be a YouTube link. Submission will be open on, after 20th July, most probably. So that you can submit the last week task. That is the final, like, round 1 pitching. If you guys are selected, like top 20 teams will be selected for the final IIT Kharagpur event. That will be the BuilDx grand finale. So if you guys are selected, you will be getting an opportunity to pitch your product to the investors. So this is the entire event timeline. So do you guys have any doubt? Okay, so let me break down the week 2 to week 7, the building phase, a bit more. Now, the thing is, every week we will be having one leaderboard. So, weekly submissions will be taken from Saturday of the week till the Sunday. So, weekends, 2 days, you will be having enough time to submit the report. And the report will be having few points. We will be providing you the templates as well. So the suppose you are getting feedback about 10 feedbacks in the week 1. in week 2 we will be seeing like how many checkpoints you have crossed. So if the judges or mentors have said you like you have to make 10 changes, the week 2 report should be having at least 3 to 4 changes that has been implemented. So that kind of progress we want to see in the report. Also, this time we will be having sub part of the event, that is build in public. So build in public is basically sharing your ideas to the world while you are building it. Because see, what you think is good for the market may not be real world like acceptable. So if you're sharing the product, how you are building it, the challenges you are facing it in the LinkedIn post or any Twitter or Reddit post, the users will be helping you along the way. So not only you guys are getting feedback from the mentors, you will be getting feedbacks from the users as well. So if you have prepared a basic site in 2 or 3 weeks, you can just launch in the social media, let the users use it, report some bugs or something like that. You will be adding that report in the feedbacks in the report itself, and the mentors feedback will be accounted as well to finally publish the weekly leaderboard. So weekly leaderboard, those who will be which those team which will be topping the leaderboard will get weekly rewards as well from our side. Okay. Yeah. So the week 2 to week 7 will be virtual, completely online. You guys can join our Discord. So here we will have the chat. You can see the BuilDx, general queries, ask for a team, mentor support. So you guys can tag as well. In the BuilderBase platform, we will assign you mentors. So this will be a platform so you can communicate with each other. Okay, Ayush. So as I have said, like what normal hackathon usually hackathon basically they have 24 to 36 hours of time period. Sure, I will share the Discord link. So I'm first answering the query of Ayush. He has asked that can you please explain elaborately with example how is it different from a normal hackathon? So in normal hackathon, what you guys generally saw is there is 24 to 36 hours of building period. There are mentors giving you feedbacks based on their own experience, but the end users whom you are targeting may not be able to use the product, and after that 24 to 36 hours the 99% of the teams forgot about the project. They just keep it as it is. They do not make any progress to make it a real world product. So here, after 26th July, you will have like 1 month of time to, finally evaluate everything you have learned in this 6 weeks. You have built the product, but still, if something really required, like if I am starting an e-commerce brand, so I need to figure out the not only the website but the product, the factory, the supply chain management. So everything has to be figured out to execute it properly, not just the website, right? So you will be having 6 weeks of time. It's not a short period. It will be a detailed opportunity to work on the product itself. So is it all right, Ayush? Have I cleared the query? How is it different? Okay. So I would request you to share the Discord channel link here in the chat as well.
Okay, okay. I will share that.
Vignesh, yes, we will provide you every template in the Discord as well as in the email, in your email. So please check out, like keep an eye on the email. Most of us are not habituated to reading emails daily. So it will be a great help for yourself, for your side, if you guys can check out the emails. Okay. Now coming to the point, like as I have said, platform credits. So which platforms am I talking about? So in the website, you can see our sponsor list. I'm just quickly scrolling through. You can see our sponsors, different sponsors, very well reputed sponsors. Now you might not be aware of what they do. So I have prepared a small, slide. So here you can see we have onboarded our with the event Bindu. It's an agent-to-agent communication platform. You guys can check out their website. You just have to go to the our website and click in the on the card. You can directly go to their repositories or their website as well. So for Bindu, it is the repository, but for render you might be have know about the what render does. It's a great platform to deploy the web apps or backend or workflows as well. So you guys can check their platform out. So we will be providing you the paid tier of this platforms. So after your ideas are validated, the initial feedbacks are given, you will be having a Google form. You have to submit some details, and from there you can avail the platform credits, the coupon codes, everything. Okay, so no need to worry about that. So from render you can deploy backend, you can deploy an agent flow, backend workflow. Now, how many of you guys are from engineering background? I guess most of the people, right? Okay, I can see few hands. Now, let me ask you something. Have you guys worked with LLMs, or have you guys used tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini? These tools are used by engineers, non-engineers, general public, like in on daily basis. So what these LLM actually does is get our prompt. They just pass through multiple layers of neural network, and ultimately they provide us the answer. Now we can see a website called ChatGPT, we can see a website called Claude, but it's not the website the entire platform is running, right? So the model itself is running on GPUs. So if you guys are capable enough, if you guys are willing to take the challenge, we will be providing you the GPUs for AI workload. If you guys are, thinking, I want to fine tune my model, like Claude is giving some answer, ChatGPT is giving some answer, but I want my user to see some specific answer if they search it from our website. So for that, you have to fine tune the model. You have to run the model. So Kalava AI provides you the GPU for that. You guys can check their platform out. You just have to click here. You will be redirecting to their website, and you guys can check out their YouTube channel as well. They have provided tutorials how to integrate, you know, Quen model, any, speech models. So Rajesh, it's great that Shubham is trying to interact, so I'm not getting distracted. Okay, so if possible, Shubham, you can give a thumbs up so that the important chats are not scrolled up. Ayush, the platform itself is not free, but since you are the participant of BuilDx and Kalava AI is our sponsor, they will be providing you platform credits for free. The paid tier will be available for you. Okay, so you guys can run your own model, any voice model, image model as well, that can be run from this Kalava AI. So personally, what I have tried is just added Coder, a very popular extension in the VS Code. Just added the API key and some model name. I can build my own Claude code So this will be very helpful for you as well. Akhil, yes, as I have said, it will be provided for free. So it will be not available till June 15. So till then, you guys have to work on the idea itself. The building phase, before the building phase, everything will be available to you. Okay. Now moving on to N8N. How many of you guys have heard about N8N? It's a very popular tool. So can you, like, any one of you guys unmute yourself and tell us what N8N does, what you can do with N8N? Anyone is interested? Actually, I want to make this session interactive because, yeah, Shivam.
So actually, N8N is a AI workflow automation builder. So
Yes,
which will actually help us to build different kinds of automations like mail automations that could be AI automations or the other things as well. We can
yes,
also make some parallel AI agents that can work on the top of that.
yeah. So what Shubham said is absolutely like 100% correct. So we will be providing you the paid tier of N8N for free as well. So if you guys want to use it in your project, you can. Okay. It will be appreciated if you guys are using these platforms to, you know, build your product, because otherwise the market is so saturated with ChatGPT wrappers. Like, what basically most people does is just create a front end, call the API of ChatGPT, send the prompt from front end to the ChatGPT itself, get the result from ChatGPT and display it in the website. No actual brainstorm, no real world use case. So these platforms will be actually helping you. Now, how many of you guys have worked with platforms like Slack or, you know, other tools where you have to integrate multiple things like Google Workspace kind of thing? I can see few hands. Have you guys tried to integrate multiple apps in your website? You can type it in the chat box. Yes, no, something like different apps like Notion, GitHub, Slack, WhatsApp, everything to a single platform. Have you guys tried to implement? So you know, if you have really tried it, how difficult it is. So we have Corsair with us. So this platform is basically a great tool for you to integrate multiple platform into your website. So you guys can check their platform out. Okay. So they are backed by YC. So it's a trusted source. Okay, Arihant. So you guys can check this platform. You will be definitely benefited by their, what they are providing. Okay. Now moving on to domain. If you guys are building some farmer website, you should not be wanting that the website, the domain called like farmerwebsite.versal.app or something like that, github.io. It should be professional. So we are collaborating with XYZ domains to provide you a free domain to host your, you know, website if you are building any. Even if you are making non-tech, if you are making non-tech business, it will be better to have a website. So every major business nowadays have a landing page. Okay. So for that, you guys will definitely need a domain. So we will be providing you that as well. So domain thing will be providing, we will provide you at the very end, like the last week. So till then, you guys can use Vercel for front end deployment. Okay. So these are our few sponsors. Now few more will be added by today. If added, we will be providing you what the sponsor is, the platform is providing, as well as their if they are providing any coupon code or something like that. Okay. Now moving on, I have already explained the
Okay.
weekly submission.
Uh, Hi, Abhinandan.
Sorry. Hi.
Hi. So
Yeah,
basically,
Ayan.
I want to add one thing. Hi
Yeah,
everyone.
sure.
This is Oyan from Research Community and BuilDx 26 organizer. So basically, I want to add one thing. If you build any hardware product, uh, prototype, we can help you in PCB design also. Like there will be EGEDA. I think if anyone from hardware background, if anyone has here from hardware background,
So, guys, do you have any experience in PCB
And can you
building
elaborate,
IoT?
please?
which part? Like EGEDA part or
Can you come
what?
again?
Okay, so basically, I want to tell you, if you build a hardware product, you need to PCB design, right? You have to like own PCB. So for that part, we can help you from EGDA. There have on EGDA, there have on KiCad. So we can help you from that also, from PCB designing to manufacturing, and we will share you the coupon code. Basically, you can get some extra like what I can say, extra uh, basically
Okay,
free
so what?
version.
Yeah. So what Ayan is basically telling is, see, you can be a founder. Your product can be based on AI, hardware, technical, non-technical, etc. So if you guys are really want to make AI product, I have shared you every detail about what kind of sponsors we have, what kind of platform we can provide you the paid subscription for free. Now, Ayan is telling is if you guys are really wanting to make IoT based product, so you guys cannot ship the Arduino itself, right, as a product. It has to be compacted, it has to be user friendly, handy. So for that, you need a PCB, right? So we have sponsors with us that can provide you coupons to manufacture, design, and ship to your location, the PCB.
Yes.
Am I clear? Yeah, someone is raising hand. Mother, right? So Mother, do you have any query? Okay, then moving on. Rajesh, what are you asking? Like how Arihant has asked, like my website focuses on open innovation and new technology for universities by combining offline and online collaboration. It helps students build startup, increase both startup opportunity and job creation instead of university. Yeah. So Arihant, you have to submit the idea. Please do not disclose your idea here itself because you are surrounded by your fellow, you know, competitors like contestants. So it would be great if you share the idea with us only. Okay. So we appreciate you to work on this platform, but that's all I have can say. Now there is a thing called build in public, which I have mentioned few minutes ago, right? So I would like to elaborate a bit about that. I am sharing the idea of not sharing any ideas with. So yeah, Razzler is saying some funny jokes, I guess. Now back to the topic, back to the agenda. Build in public is basically our initiative. So how many of you guys have seen startups posting their progress online. So basically, many startup does that just to get user attention, create the hype of their product, and also get some feedbacks. If they're doing something right or something wrong, they will be getting an initial feedback from the user itself. So we will be helping you as well with with the opportunity. Before submitting the idea, like weekly report, you have to post it in the social media and share the URL with us, so you won't be have any other option not to. So you will be automatically sharing the idea with public itself. So you guys have to create a page for the product itself. So it will be your business name, the profile picture of your logo of your brand, and we will be providing you this LinkedIn banner. It can be used with LinkedIn, Twitter, or Reddit as well. So you guys can post about your product, what you guys did in the week itself, the feedbacks you have got, you what you have developed, and how you want to proceed it. So you can share that in the social media, and after sharing it, you will be sharing the link with us in the report itself. So you have to tag us, use hashtag resource you BuilDx, build in public, while posting it in the social media. It will be a one-time activity per week, so 6 posts will be enough. So this will be a criteria that will be highly recommended and will be uh, judged as well. So after end of 6 weeks, if you have to submit the initial pitching video, it will be a YouTube video kind of thing. You will be posting your pitch live on YouTube. Share the video with us by sharing the URL. Judges will see the video. They will mark you based on how you guys have progressed from week 2 to week 6. No, no, not the process, but about what you guys are doing, not the entire process. So in the meantime, you can patent the idea if you like. If you guys are sharing the internal details, so I think there might be a misconception, or you might not have understood the assignment. It will be creating a hype across the social media, get the user attention, and some user feedback. This is the primary focus. Okay, Arihant, it will be provided. Okay, so since this is not a 1 day or 2 day process, we will be providing you the details as we move on from phase to phase. So yeah, I've already answered. Like we will be telling you about the internal details, submissions and all based on the feedbacks itself. So pitching will be generally up to 3 to 5 minutes, and the submission points will be provided you in the Google form itself. Yeah, Arihant, you can see you are thinking like a founder now. You are not thinking like a builder. So hype is very important. Marketing is very important. There are thousands of startups that start every month and die because they lack the user audience. The people do not care about how good the product is. If you are unable to make a hype on social media in today's world, you cannot build something that is consumed by the mass. So from a founder's point of view, the hype is actually needed. So the purpose of this build in public, share it in the social media, etc., is to create the hype. Arihat, have I answered your question? Arya has asked, like, can we post on our own account? Yes, you can, but it will be professional, more professional if you guys dedicate a social media or LinkedIn page to your product. The internal update or if you are launching any new features, everything that will be going from that account, it looks more professional. So if something like, for example, this render, so they have their social media page. Now, one employee is posting about render, the updates that they are going to launch in the upcoming week from their own account. So it will not look professional. It will not reach to the audience. Audience will know your brand, not your face. So try to create a brand identity in the 6 weeks. Uh, Arihant, you can share the pitching video from Google Drive as well. So the internal details will be shared with you when we will release the Google form. Okay. So I think most many people are stopping Shubham to sending message. Yeah, price distribution stuff, as I have said, like from the round one, if you guys are in top 20 teams, you will be invited to IIT Kharagpur. There we will have the final investor pitching as well as the price distribution as well. Okay, Himanshu. Okay, guys, that's all I have to say. The venue I have shared, it is also like 360-degree view available in our website as well. So you guys can check this out. Okay, you can see the auditorium. It will be cleared and decorated for the event, so you don't have to worry about that. We will be having like proper event there. So all the best for the building journey. For any queries, you can contact us. I am Abranil Karmakar. You have saw Ayankar as well in this meet. Aniket De is our fellow organizer, but he is unable to join today. If you guys have any query, you can reach us from our Discord. Also, you can text us. Also, you can email us in our official email. Okay. So, guys, are you excited for the event? Okay. So let me go to the builder-based platform once. I'm actually not participating, but to check whether the everything is working or not, I have also registered along with you. So here you can see you. I have created a fake team called Resourceo Party just for fun. Go to the team. You can invite members. Here you can invite. You can request help. Someone will be replying you with the builder-based platform in Discord itself as well. So these are the progress. These will be open as with the time goes on. You have to click here and upload the necessary docs. This will be the submission platform, and the final submission will be happening from this button. Yes, Rahul, you will be getting next steps on email, as well as you can check the builder-based platform. So here you have to submit. So you will get the details here as well.
Obronil,
Okay.
so
Hi.
can you please put the Discord link in the chat?
So have I not submitted shared the link? Okay, no issues. I am sharing the invite link here. You can join the Discord, and in the general chat you can drop a hi so that we know that you have joined. Okay. So please don't abuse because we have strict code of conduct. We are trying to onboard multiple sponsors as well. So you guys please adhere to the code of conduct. Do not, you know, abuse someone based on their skin color, age, race, something like that. It is not appreciated here at any stage. So if we see something, you can be banned from the event. So if something is happening to you, do report us. We will be always available to help you guys. Okay, so that's all about the BuilDx. If you have any doubt, you can drop here or in the chat. We will be answering you. Okay then, guys, if you do not have any more query, let's wrap this up because it's already been an hour since you have joined. Let's keep it very brief. Yeah, regarding what happens after the end of session, I would like to know that what kind of support opportunities will be provided as of now. I am building this product solo using AI tools. Will I get opportunity for team building, funding, real world implementation, and further large scale development of the project? Okay, so what you can do, expect from us after the event is if you are the product is really capable of doing something, you guys will be able to get initial funding. We can expect that. So apart from that, there much there we can't help you much with the team building because you have to think like a founder, right? Most of the people start a product idea on their own. They don't have any platform, but still they succeed. So we will be providing you the platform credits, the AI tools that you are currently using, the sponsors that we have onboarded with us. So you will be have like 1 year free subscription of their paid plan. That's how you can actually build your product. So let's focus on building something in this buildathon itself. And if something good come out of it, you guys can definitely work on that. All right then. Any more queries? Okay then. Have a nice day, guys. We are wrapping this session up. I hope you have got to know about the event in more detail, something that we are unable to convey you through the social media. And we are excited to see what great ideas you are bringing. Okay, then have a great night, guys. Yeah, yeah, same here. Bye. Shubha, there is no recording of this session, unfortunately. But if you need any help, you can directly reach us from our Discord server. We will be happy to help you. Yeah, Mrinmoy, please drop a message in Discord if possible. Then we can share the recording from our YouTube channel and make it live if you are willing to do that. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, then ending this meet. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.